let's we start our new chapter, chapter 8, Internet. What is the Internet? Internet is the global network system of interconnected computer network that enables them to share information, exchange data, news and opinion. It is the network of several different computers which are connected through the linkage of accessories like copper wires, fiber optics and even the latest wireless connection. Internet is used for many purposes like information. The internet has made it easy for anyone to access any types of information. Education. In education we can get any types of information by using the internet. Online banking and trading, emails. By using the internet we can communicate with a person who is sitting in any other parts of the world. We can send email to anybody anywhere anytimes. And job search. Internet makes life easy for both employers and job seekers as there are plenty of job sites available on internet. Now, next is internet terms. In internet use many different types of terms like hyperlink. Hyperlink is the highlighted text on the web which are clicking connected us to another page within the same web or another. Now, next is World Wide Web. It is the collection of informations, resources, pictures, sound, multimedia on the internet that are linked and connected together. You see the pictures of www. Now, next is web pages. Web pages is a document for the World Wide Web. It is a parts of website and store informations in the digital form. You see the pictures of web pages. Now next is website. Website is a collection of web pages that hold a large amounts of informations regarding education, games, software and about different colleges. Google is a website. Now, next is web browser. Web browser is an application software that allow us to view and explore informations on the internet. Many different kinds of web browsers are available. You see the pictures like Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. Now next is Uniform Resource Locator. It is a unique address of a specific web pages on file on the internet. It cannot have a space or certain character but use / to denote different directories like www.google.co.in. You see the images of Uniform Resource Locator. Now, next is how to connect to the internet. To connect to the internet, you need various devices such as modem, telephone lines, internet service provider and web browser. What is modem? Modem is an electronic device used to connect computers by a telephone lines, and telephone lines are the connected to the modem that transfer data from one computer to another. An ISP, Internet Service Provider, is a company that provides internet service connections. Some are BSNL, MTNL, Airtel. Now, next is electronic mail. What is email? Email are Electronic mail, it is used for sending and receiving electronic data messages anywhere around the world. It is one of the fastest modes of communications. Now, what is email account? Email account, if you want to send and receive messages through internet, you have to register your name or create your personal email account or ID. What is username? Username, it is the name of user or user input account. And the password, it is a unique key that open the email. Now next is how to create an email ID. For this you can follow the given step. First step, open up your internet browser and go to the Google home page http://www.google.com and the picture you see. Now next is click on Gmail at the top right corner on the pages. Now next step 3, click on create account. You see the pictures. Now next is step 4, fill up the registration form as instruction and then click on next step. Now step 4, in privacy and terms, click on I agree button. Now next is step 6, your account will be created and the Google welcome page will appear. Click on continue to Google or Gmail. Okay students, now next is how to sign out or log out your email. For this you can follow the given step. Step 1, click on your photo on top right corner of the Gmail window. Then click on sign out options. You see the pictures how to sign out or log out your email account. Okay students, I hope you all understand about internet and email accounts.